Today we'll be taking a final tour of the in-ground sprinkler system at this house, and I'll walk you through all the zones. And we're going to start with zone number 1. Here's zone number 1. There's now a new 6-inch Pro spray with a 4-foot nozzle, so it reaches up into this plant island here with the birch trees. The rest are still the same. It's right in there. There's one head there. And another right there. There. Here. Here. Then these 3. Here's zone number 2. Has the PS Ultra in the back, 2-inch. Then some 4-inch Pro sprays. One in down in there. One more right here. Another there. And finally another PS Ultra right over here. Let's move on to zone number 3. Here's zone number 3. There's this head here. This head here. Up here there's another head. And the last head right here. Here's zone number 4. The first head. Second head up here. And then the third and final head right up here. Up here is zone number 5. Here's first head up here. The second head. Then another one right down there somewhere. Zone 6, here we are. There's this head. It just goes 360 degrees right into the woods. So does that one. In there. And there's this one. Here's zone number 7. Here's the first head. There we go. There's some more. And there's this one. And finally, up here, this one. Here's zone number 8. First head is this PGJ. There we go. And then there's PGP Ultra. Then 2 more PGP Ultras. Then this one, right down there. Here's zone number 9. Here's the first head. Second one. The third one over there. And the final 4th one right down here. Here is zone number 10. Here is zone 11. Here's the first head. The next head down here, head number 2. And number 3 is right over here. This one is the 4th one, and it is an I-20. And the final head up here is a PGP Ultra. That's the final head on the system. And thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.